Open Easy Label. In the bottom, you can see 3 options: Templates, where your designed labels will be saved; New, from where you can create new designs; and Settings, from where we will connect to the printer and change setting of the output. Click on Settings. Click on Printer to select a printer. Make sure that your location setting is on. Here, you can see Bluetooth printers as well as printers on same Wi-Fi network. I am selecting Bluetooth printer. Password is 0000. Go back and click on Print Options. Here you can change settings of your printer. Print alignment decides the starting point of your label. Paper type can be receipt or label. In this case, we will be printing on a label, so we have selected gap paper. Feed paper after print defines if you want to leave any gap after each print. In case of label, it should always be 0. If your printer has auto cutter, you can turn on printer cutter. To design a new label, click on New. Here, you can give a name to your label. Here, you define width and height of your label in mm. Click on More settings to make advanced changes to your label, like number of columns in each row. Click on Create to start designing your label. From upper area, you can insert text in your label. Here you can also change the font size. You can also drag and drop it anywhere you want. Click on Properties to change font style. Click on Barcode to insert a barcode in label. You can resize it here itself. Click on QR code to insert a QR. In Setup, you can change print speed or darkness of the print. Click on Print to print a single label. You can also add other objects from the upper area. Click on Save to save this design. Now, your design is saved in Templates. From here you can share it or print multiple copies. Let's create a new label with variable and counter. Insert a text field. Click on Variable. Click on Add. Here you can change properties of variable. Insert another text field in which we will place a variable. Click on Edit field. Click on Add Variable and select variable which you have created. Delete the constant if not required. Save the template. Now, when you will print a label, it will ask for your input in variable. Insert counter in the label. Define base and incremental value. Click on Edit field. Click on Add Variable and select counter which you have created. Save the template. Now, when you will print it, it will ask for a base value of counter and number of pieces to be printed. In this case, it will print 5 labels: count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, and count 5. Hope this video was helpful.